Okay. On behalf of the concerned citizens of California, I'd just like to make a brief statement. We find the recommendations document a bit puzzling. Rather than addressing the well-being and concern of school families, it seems to be largely devoted to addressing speculative fears of one group of callers involving language difficulties, access to legal counsel and translators, questioning due process, promoting unsupported hearsay involving reporting crimes, while at the same time touching briefly upon laws set forth by Congress, using newfound exceptions like the California Values Act, ICE's sensitive locations policy, and a host of other things that would circumvent the intent of Congress and deal with issues outside of the school's families. Bracket creep appears to have happened within this forum's platform, and these documents seem to have morphed into a hodgepodge of extenuating issues, creating unrealistic goals of replacing citizen applications, i.e. converting undocumented families into citizenship recipients without actually applying for it. For countless years, America's naturalization process has been fine-tuned to upgrade and adapt to increase fairness and due process accommodations that gives abundant opportunity to legally apply for citizenship. Yet now, because of the numbers of undocumented crossings and the resulting myriad of problems, the focus now appears to be all about protecting those who didn't think about the consequences, have extenuating issues, don't want to proceed with citizenship applications, and want to escape logical penalties as the legal system catches up with them. As an example of extenuating circumstances, it's the reporting of domestic violence, child abuse, and other crimes. With all due respect, since when do perpetrators of these crimes get a free pass from prosecution and deportation merely because some criminals or their families' immigration status? Not to mention, these same perps can then get away with continued violence, child abuse, and other crimes, oftentimes outside the family, while they are being protected by sanctuary laws and the like. While we appreciate the revised testimony record, which now includes the listing of rare and assorted diseases through travel importation, we ask that you add a line item in the recommendations document to address court-ordered deportation orders as it relates to the absolute need to protect our school families and the community, regardless of immigration status. In addition, we are puzzled by the repetitive use of the word immigrant used extensively through the recommendations document. Even the IRS tax code refers to those here legally as alien residents, and throughout all U.S. codes, the definitive descriptor is and continues to be alien, with a corresponding descriptor of illegal when applicable. At a very minimum, the documents of this forum need to conform to applicable codified language, and as such, perhaps infrequently using the word undocumented in parentheses, which satisfied sensitivity issues. I think my point has been made, but again, alien is the codified descriptor. And with that point, once again, we, the concerned citizens of California, are very concerned that sanctuary policies per se are indeed adversely affecting the health and welfare of everyone in the school community. And we reaffirm and Director of Policy Studies for the Center of Immigration Studies, that would be Bonds, that the claims of a chilling effect on crime reporting are unsubstantiated. Lastly, any and all references to the United States being a democracy is incorrect. America is a constitutional republic that utilizes a free choice, democratic voting procedure. Thank you. That's all I have to say today.
Thank you. Will we get a copy of that?
I'll be happy to send a transcript of what I just said.
Thank you.
I'll send it to Ann, okay? You're very welcome.
Yes, thank you.
Good afternoon, folks. My name is Raul Rodriguez, Jr., and I am the California Coordinator for Africa First Latinos. I was born in this country, and I'm a proud American, and I think that when our legislators and elected officials allow people that come into our country illegally, they're not obeying the law. They need to obey the laws, immigration laws, and we support ICE 100%. They are enforcing the law, and the Values Act, which I feel is unconstitutional, is not allowing ICE to do their job of apprehending illegals and deporting them.
President Lopez,
Hold on, I'm still talking. It's my time. So, can you still hear me?
Yes.
Yes, so is not good for this country because illegals are being allowed to come into this country, and that's wrong. Thank you very much, and God bless America.
Thank you. Thank you.